Of vaccines again highlighted in sweeping new research released late today.
Let's get the results now with health reporter Stephanie Stahl.
That's right, hot off the presses, guys. You know, with outbreaks of the measles reported in several states and some parents choosing not to get their children vaccinated, researchers are hoping this new study will send what they consider to be a life-saving message that vaccines are safe.
The MMR vaccine that guards against measles, mumps, and rubella does not increase the risk of autism, according to a new large-scale study.
The new study, if we needed it, puts to rest once again that there is no association between measles vaccine, and autism.
The study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine looked at all the children born in Denmark over more than a decade and found the MMR vaccine does not trigger autism in children at high risk of developing the disorder. The vaccine that's recommended for all children in a series of injections was able to eliminate measles. That was declared in 2000, but cases have been rising in recent years. So far this year, 159 cases of measles have been confirmed in 10 states.
Because children have been withheld from vaccination, the disease has recurred. It's imported from other parts of the world, finds those pockets of susceptible children, and causes illness also among children who are too young to be vaccinated.
For every 1,000 children who get measles, 1 or 2 will die from the disease. Measles can also cause serious complications like pneumonia and brain swelling.
Now, children need 2 doses of the MMR vaccine, one when they're a year, the other around age 5. The 2 doses are considered to be 97% effective, except with the mumps. That part of the vaccine can wear off over time, as we saw last week with the outbreak at Temple, but there is a booster for mumps.
Okay.
Very good. A boost. Very good to hear. All right, Stephanie, thank you.